Welcome to Module 2, Astrology course, AstroFinance Method, where we are going to continue learning, discussing more astrological events in order to understand which time we are and how to approach the collective consciousness and market-wise. After Module 1, I expect that you are already familiar with the order of nature, from Aries, Taurus, into Pisces, the houses that it's ruling, the rulers of the planets, and what's the main archetypes to each sign and planet. This is the language that we are speaking to interpret the phenomenons, as we will add more aspects in the future. This is why I designed this course that from Module 1 I expect that people are coming with basic knowledge, and I'm just bringing it to be more essential to the use of what we want to learn here, and it's to be able to understand transit for economy and understanding the nature of social trend as we are all moving in those energies together. In Module 2, we are going to continue learning more terms, and at the beginning I'm going to teach about the system of the Vedic astrology, tropical astrology, what's the difference between different way of calculation, just the important basic terms of it. I'm also going to teach you different application and how to approach natal charts of different things and anything that has a moment of start, even your marriage day, even a company formation, a birth of a person, of course. We're going to learn about supporting aspects and challenging aspects, some pivot points, ascendant, descendant, midheaven, and also to do a research how we are approaching, what's the main thing that we are seeing as approaching a new chart. And we are going to take example of Bitcoin natal chart and of S&P natal chart, and I'm going to discuss more about bullish and bearish combination in a more deeper perspective to what we already showed as example in Module 1. We are also going to emphasize about the planets that are designing the markets as Venus and Mercury that are more related to the trade. I wish you a successful course and good learning, and this will take us to Module 3, where we'll go progress to more essential information for the markets. I will record this Module 2 from Brazil. This is also the energy that I'm downloading from each place according to the needs of my astrological aspects and transits, and from what is happening in the collective and the topics that I'm going to teach. So this will be to the favor of all, and hopefully to serve a lot of people for the next years. Module 1 mostly recorded from Mexico and Colombia. Be disciplined, and I'll see you in the next class, where we're first going to study about the application and software for astrology that I'm working with and what will lead us to read markets ahead.